This app is not available in your country or region on Android. First of all, head towards Google Play Store app and you need to go back to your homepage and make sure to log into your account. Navigate to profile at top right corner and look for the option of payment and subscription. Select that. From this multiple menu options, select payment methods. Now look for more payment settings. Now choose any browser. Head towards add a payment method button. Select that. And on the section of adding credit or debit card, you simply need to change your address. And by changing the address or location on Google Play Store, you will fix this app is not available in your country or region on your Android device. So that was it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.